Welcome to Doug Does Stuff. I'm Doug, and we're doing something a little different today. We're having some fun with AI. I put together this video. It's going to be a short, but I want to do the long form here with a little bit of a description as well. But before we get to that, I'm reaching out to you guys because I've been thinking about one of my subscribers who recently lost everything in a flood. And he's not asked me to make this video in any way, but I've been thinking, how can I help him? How can I get some help to Jack? And Jack, if you're listening, really, I've been thinking about you and what I saw, and I found your GoFundMe page. And I want to ask my subscribers, this is everybody else. Listen, if you got $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, $20, whatever you got, if you can help out Jack, 3D printing is a big community, but we're also small, and we got to help each other out as much as we can. If you can throw something his way to get him back on his feet, maybe he gets a new Anycubic X, gets back into the feet. That's not the X. Sorry. He can get back into having some joy. That would be great. Or just rebuilding his house. Listen, doing nice things is incredibly important. I try and teach my son that all the time. We do nice things. We do good things, even if it's tough for us. You know, he's young. We both like trains. I don't know if you watch other videos I've made. And this past, right before Christmas, I found a local guy selling a train from when he was a kid. So we went and picked it up, and you could tell when he was selling how much it meant to him, but it didn't work. So we got it home, and I fixed it, and I made my son come with me, and we brought it back to the guy for Christmas. And the look on his face, really, I mean, that's what you do it for. You got to help others. Otherwise, what are we doing, right? So, yeah. That's that. If you can help Jack out, help him out. I hope that if I ever need help, that people would be there for me. And if you guys need help, I hope there's somebody there for you as well. Let's get to the video. It was a lot of fun, and come back, we'll talk about it. All right, so it was fun to make. Like I said, I recently, or maybe I didn't say, I recently got Google AI Pro, and I've been playing with Flow and Whisk and Nano Banana and all the other parts of Google Lab there, and I was able to put that together. Total AI, 100%. I started with an initial picture of me, and if you watch the video, it like changes, like I morph into a different person over the whole video until like it's like Matt Damon at the end. Thank you very much. Yeah, it was fun. I spent a lot of credits on trying to get that video right, especially the last scene. I didn't want the guy turning around and say, level that. I wanted him to look off in the distance, turn slightly so you saw the cigar, the red tip and the smoke, and in a Duke Nukem heavy voice, he says, level that. And then walks off as the camera orbits up and pulls away. And then the scene gets brighter and brighter. And it actually did do that. It did a good job of keeping the scene consistent. Colors of like the printer shifts. My clothes stayed the same, which was interesting. It's really crazy what AI can do. Yeah, but anyway, listen, it was a lot of fun. The printer's okay, I promise. This was all for cathartic fun because, you know, I love leveling my printer. And if you liked it, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, leave a comment. If you're here first time, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Thank you guys very much. And off to figure out something else to do. Maybe it's like print something. Who knows? Probably not. See you later.